3.
Okay, Toto. It's almost time to go home because, there's no place like home. All we have to do is follow the yellow brick road or the sand. What's that, Toto? You don't want to go home yet? You're having so much fun at this party. You made new friends. Who are your friends, Toto? Oh, I know Scooby and Slinky Dog from Toy Story.
I don't know why anybody would want to leave this party early. It is awesome. Just like the song says.
Parties don't stop till 8 in the morning.
Welcome to Atlanta where the play.
Me and my hind parts hightailed it out of there way too early last year. This year, we're going to stick around for more of the fun.